Hey guys, I woke up this morning, I felt really healthy and I thought, even some hair's growing back. It's gotta be these wonderful apple pancakes I've been eating. They are so good, filled with the apple flavor, just great, fluffy. You gotta make these, so let me show you how. Okay guys, I'm going to kick things off here by adding a cup and a half of flour to a mixing bowl. A tablespoon of baking powder so we get those fluffy puffy pancakes. 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, and you can use brown sugar or whatever you like. I just like the white granulated, just to keep things sweet. A little pinch of salt. Take my handy dandy whisk and whisk everything together, because the last thing you want is a big mouthful of baking soda, or baking powder I should say. And just look at that cloud. Now for the wet ingredients, starting with an egg, a cup of milk, and this is just 2%. You know, you can use any milk for that matter. Next up, I'm going to grate my apple. And I'm using a Granny Smith here. I just kind of like the tartiness. Ah, this is better now. Then I'm going to take my handy dandy box grater and grate this up. Just be careful of your fingers. Now I'm going to add my apple to the mixture. Take my handy dandy whisk once again and whisk everything together until we get a nice batter. Now I've got my pan over medium heat here. I'm going to add a good knob of butter in. It's about half a tablespoon. Pour in my pancake batter, and this is somewhere in the neighborhood of half a cup. And we'll just let this fry for a couple of minutes, just until it's a beautiful golden brown. After about 2 or 3 minutes, it should be golden brown. You can always tell because those bubbles begin to come through and the edges dry out a little bit. So I'm just going to give this a flip over. And we'll let this cook for a few minutes on the other side. Maybe a minute or two. After a minute or so on the other side, we're done. I'm just going to put this on a plate and continue. Okay guys, we're all done. A good knob of butter on the top and some of that wonderful maple syrup over it. This is going to be so good. And this is going to give you, I'd say, 5 or 6 pancakes. And there you have it guys, our simply delicious, wonderful, homemade apple pancakes. You're going to love these, believe me. Okay guys, I got my mound of pancakes here, so let's just slice into these and see what we've got. Just look at these, I've got to taste them. And just look at this, just dripping with that wonderful maple syrup. I know it's maple syrup. Okay, let's taste these. They are so good, guys. Guys, these are so good. The apple just shining through, they're fluffy. Just love the texture. The only thing I missed is a bit of cinnamon, but you can add that too. I'm gonna eat more of these and get my coffee out. Maybe go outside, it's a nice day. These are good. For this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. And if you like what you saw, smash that subscribe button and that like button. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay safe, and see you next time.